There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. What's good? All right, M3CS. Let's go get some food and hit Beverly Hills.
There's a stigmatism of BMWs because of kids like that.
We're free to segment it. There's no parking at all. There's no parking.
No parking?
Yeah. We got the M.
That one thing they can do.
Okay, Fofo, you need to find parking. He's gonna find parking and he's gonna come back in this beautiful M3CS. Dude, get him! Get him!
Oh shit!
Oh, that was a close one. Alright, how's it going?
Chilling, bro. We about to hit a party.
You are? Where you going? UCLA?
Nah, some Brentwood party.
Oh shit, I feel that. Alright, you look clean. It looks like there's no cops.
And Jesus said, "Let there be light."
So we got the SVR, and right in front of the SVR, we have the Vader itself. Not every day you see a Koenigsegg parked.
No, we never see. Working 30 years in Ballet, I never seen it.
How many years have you been working here?
30 years in Ballet, I never see a car like that.
You never seen a multi-million-dollar car like that?
He parked. He parked.
Ok, porque ¿ya sabes cuánto vale ese carro? 3 millones.
Vino un Ferrari de $260,000.
Bro, look how close together the seats are.
This thing is just beautiful. So, what were you trying to?
Oh, basically, man, I'm trying to pitch out this weed flavored crack.
Weed flavored crack.
If you wanna get high, but you wanna take the edge off a little bit and it still tastes good. You know,
I feel that. I feel that. Bro, this man's a genius, dog.
We're out here revolutionizing this crack smoking.
We are. This guy's the next Elon Musk. Watch.
Hey! Sandro! Oh my God. Sandro!
Oh my God.
Go
You
back.
hit his car!
Yes! Go back, go back! You fuck it up! Go
You hit
back.
his car! Just hit it!
Go there!
Oh God.
Dude!
Oh, it's
literally,
good though.
there's nothing to
It's
do with
that
it.
tiny mark.
Standing there enough to focus on you breaking my car.
It's not my fault, you're ass driver and don't drive and park, bro.
If there's somebody banging on my car,
I wasn't banging
I'm
shit,
gonna
I
be
banged
paying.
after.
Idiots.
His car.
So we're here on Ventura Boulevard, and the winner wouldn't pay up for the race. It was a Hellcat versus an M3, and
Oh, shh.
They're made up. They have made up.
Yeah.
we aren't high at all. We don't use drugs. In fact, we don't.
So sober right now. I've never been more sober in my life.
Listen, we're not high. Okay, I had to probably cut a little bit of that out because some crazy stuff happened. Thanks for watching. No, seriously, Instagram's gonna be here. So make sure to make sure to follow us on Instagram. We post car meets every week, maybe once a month, depending on how lazy we are. Thanks for watching. It's our first video. I'm gonna do a like goal because I'm definitely straight. Listen, like goal for this video, 10 likes. We're being very humble. If this video gets 10 likes, I'll expose how much it costs for the damages on that M3 competition. So give this video 10 likes and you'll see the next one up. Thanks for watching.